As the sunrise, early dawn, tractor wheels roll on the lawn. Rooster sings his morning song. Every day we're moving strong. Boots in mud, the day is long. Fields alive with country charm. Sweat and soil where we belong. Tractor hums a soothing calm. Tractor on the farm we ride, turning earth with every stride. Life is simple, nothing hides. On this land we do abide. Hands are rough, hearts are pure. Plowing rows, that's for sure. Nature's rhythm we endure. On our tractor we secure wheat and corn, the golden pride. Pasture stretching far and wide, underneath that big blue sky. Tractor's toil makes us high. Tractor's toil makes us high.